questions for anybody that can help?
Not if you think you know the answer and you just want to give the advice that everyone who owns a Ruckus already knows.
Do you have a tack?
No!
Help us out here. The 2020 Honda Ruckus.
I know it's supposed to jitter. It makes the jitter. Whenever the jitter goes away, it still sounds like metal on metal. It sounds like the clutch spacer is getting chewed up.
And the spacer is getting chewed up.
Yeah, pretty much. But I don't know if that's supposed to happen or if it's supposed to quiet down or if that's just something you're supposed to deal with. And why does it... I understand that it takes a lot of torque for this to kick in, but is literally the only way to make that not happen is to make this a 58cc. Because, I mean, I'm hitting 48, 49, almost 50 miles an hour, and I don't have everything that everyone claims you need to reach those speeds. So, again, that could just be my top end, but, I mean, hell, it'll spin the tire whenever I take off on the stock clutch. So I don't see why I wouldn't have enough torque to at least get this to kick in a little sooner. So is it just the fact that it needs 150 miles to really kick in or warm up? Or do I have a faulty clutch? Or is my contra spring too tight on this?
And this is a Reveno clutch,
I'm
right?
pretty sure the contra spring is the one that just comes with it. Is it possible for me to switch out the spring with the lighter one?
Because it was hard to get open. It's a Reveno clutch, right?
Yeah.
Brand new.
I haven't even driven it out of the neighborhood yet because I don't like this sound, so.
So if anybody has any answers or they've done this, give us a shout. Let us know. Like and subscribe. We might come up with more videos. Okay, bye.